Thanks for tuning in to Currently Craving by Spa Finder Wellness, where Jackie and I are going to share all of our favorite products in beauty, spa, and wellness.
So we're going to run the gamut from workout products to beauty products, which we have right here that are great for summertime. So let's get started. Amina and I both brought 3 of our favorite products. I started with the Lee Stafford Original Dry Shampoo. It is my favorite for the summertime. Let's be honest, when you're walking around, especially in New York City, your hair gets really super greasy.
Yes.
And you don't want to have to wash it every day, right? So
trick of the trade.
This is perfect. You spray it in, rub it in, you smell great, your hair looks great. Perfect. It's basically the best alternative to shampoo. No one will ever know.
So for me, summer essentials are all about gorgeous glowing skin, and of course in the summer we spend even more time outside, and the sun can have somewhat of a drying effect on our skin. So one of my favorite products is from SkinCeuticals. It's called their Hydrating B5 Mask, and what's so great about this product is it's actually packed with hyaluronic acid, 1% in fact, which is really high concentration, and you just slather it on your face twice a week for 10 to 15 minutes, and away you go.
Awesome.
Yeah, it's a great product.
My second favorite product is actually Spa Ritual Nail Polishes. I am obsessed with their limited edition summer collection called Laugh. It's full of great glitters. There's a rainbow glitter, a turquoise glitter, a coral glitter, which I'm rocking right now, and then a great white matte, which looks excellent with a tan.
Fantastic. Well, back to skin for me. I always love to follow up my mask with a great serum, and Ole Henriksen does a fantastic one called Truth Serum Collagen Booster, and it's what I use to get truly beautiful skin. So again, it's full of vitamin C, grapefruit and orange extract, and is really great for hydration and repair.
My last product is actually a huge helper for me because I love false lashes, because I want beautiful luscious lashes like Amina here, but I don't have them. And sometimes falsies, let's be honest, when you pull them off, your eyelashes rip off with them. So Too Faced Better Than False Lashes is a great nylon lash extension system. You swipe on one coat of the regular mascara, a few coats of the fiber lashes, and then seal it all up with that regular mascara again. And then you are good to go with great bright eyes and false looking lashes.
Yeah, those are looking really good.
Thank you.
Let me tell you.
Not as good as her, but
I'm also a big Too Faced favorite, so you know, if your skin is less than flawless but you don't really want to put on too much makeup, I really love Too Faced Beauty Balm. It has anti-aging ingredients, it has pigments to refract the light, and it also has a broad spectrum SPF 20. It's a really great product if you're looking to get a little bit coverage but not too much.
great. Thanks for tuning in to Currently Craving. Bye.